Ignition sequence start.
Roger.
Hi everyone, Manus MacLean here, and welcome back to Brain Drain Newsroom. It's Friday, September 5th, 2025. Today brings a mix of news, some surprising developments, stacks of impact, and a significant note on how you can get involved. Plus, a friendly reminder, Meet Your New Neighbors isn't a brand new show. It's live every Monday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. It features stories that bridge communities. We've already dropped several episodes, and next one airs next week. Don't miss it. Today's lineup. The Supreme Court prepares a weigh-in on immigration enforcement powers. All right, let's see what they do. In New York, shocking ICE raids left families shaken. And USCIS quietly changed policies that may age out immigrant kids caught in green card backlogs. Let's start with the courts. Just as watchers tune in, Reuters reports the U.S. Supreme Court is about to rule on education shaking cases affecting Trump's use of emergency powers and restrictions on deporting Venezuelan migrants. If the court reasserts limits on executive authority, it could ripple across immigration enforcement today and tomorrow. This isn't just legal trivia. Pretty soon it could redefine who controls immigration policy, Congress or the White House. Next, over in New York, state officials warned that 70 people were detained in demolition raids at a nutrition bar factory. Hundreds of immigrant workers, many parents. Governor Hochul condemned the action, saying it shattered hardworking families and won't make anyone safer. Local advocates called it one of the biggest workplace raids in years. And that's not just a news line. That's kids coming home to empty houses. In green card news, the Economic Times flagged a policy shift that could push more kids over the line in USCIS, now calculating age using final action dates instead of earlier dates for filing. I've reported on this before, but it's worth to do it again just so that you can understand what is happening here. It means that children in long waiting times, long queues, could turn 21 before their parents' green card processing completes. That loss of eligibility hits families especially hard from India and China. Yes, we're talking about kids who've grown up here. We're telling them the door to stay here just got narrower. How can you join the solution? Still with us? This is where we flip from news to action. Volunteers support immigrant families through legal aid, translation, or hosting community meetups. Donate. Your contributions keep reports like this in the fight for clear, fair storytelling. Visit braindrain.org/donate. Tell your friends. Spread awareness. Share episodes of Meet Your Neighborhood. Meet Your New Neighbors. See it live every Monday at noon. If you have an hour, a skill, or just a big heart, let's put it to good use together. That wraps up today's Brain Drain Newsroom in under 15 minutes. We've covered courtrooms, detention centers, and legal red tape, all as a part of the human story. Remember, Meet Your New Neighbors goes live every Monday at 12 noon. We're building a community one story at a time. If this matters to you, subscribe, share, help fuel stories that matter. I'm Manus MacLean. Stay connected, stay tuned.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this and maybe even learned something new. If you did, don't just vanish into the algorithm. Hit like, subscribe, and follow us on social. It's the easiest way to support our work and make sure you never miss what's next. Want to stay in the loop without relying on big tech's mood swings? Sign up for our monthly newsletter. And if you've got the means, donations of any size keep our programs running strong. As a 501c3, your gift is tax deductible where the law allows. Together, we can turn Brain Drain into America's next big breakthrough.